under the, what should I say, the first step. It is a topic of the second or third stage. Generally, we as an English teacher, we try to teach the student. Fortunately, in the second step, you are going to follow this topic, which is common problem of India. I felt very happy to see this. I really felt very happy to see this. What you shared your personal experience. So because of that, I have written only 12 problems. I thought that, and when I asked to the editor of a so and so English newspaper, the Hindu newspaper, I said, sir, why it happens whenever we generally ask to the students for write a story, they start writing a story only whatever they are having the experience. They don't write the story, but they write the experience and they think that that is the story. He said, you are saying right. Whatever surrounding atmosphere is there, a man, especially a youth, a child, they affect first. You focus me, not there. You focus me. They write first. Second time when they will start writing, they will try to understand the problem, and then they will write a story to understand the problem. And in the last stage, in the third stage, they will address to the problem, but the difference will be there. They will only write a story to focus the solution. So starting, what happens? Starting first story, when you share, that is the joyable story. You face some problem, you write one different solution according to your wish. Second time when you write a story, when you feel the problem, but alhamdulillah, you write down. What you write? Same, not wishing, but a confidence type story you try to write down. And the second time when you write the story, you 100% try to solve the problem by your story. Because of that, in essay competition, as you have written now, congrats to you, baby, in the story and in other topics, who become the winners? Those who not only confront the problems, but those who solve the problems. So today we will talk about the 11 points of the India. Illiteracy problem is the major cause of all these sub-problems. Because of the illiteracy, a man who follows to one religion, unfortunately for that religion, when there is no matter of injustice, there is no matter of any other thing, they are going to kill the other religious people. Why it is going to be happen? Even those people, according to India, according to government, those who are the literate, they know the reading, writing, why they kill to the other religion people? The illiterate, they are literate by words, but they are not literate by emotions, they are not literate by feelings, they are not 100% literate by their sense. Because of that, they try to kill the other religion people. As you said, the inequality. Why inequality takes place in my and your life? Few people think they are very lowest people, and few people think they are the superior. They are the number one in the society. This is the mindset of the people. Where it is going to be happen? Even in the India, literate people, they have the feeling of supremacy, and illiterate and worker, they are having the inferiority complex, that they are good, we are not good. So this kind of the mindset which has developed in our society. One is belong to a particular family. He is a very good. He is a super or superior personality. Second, she is coming from or he is coming from that particular caste, particular family. They are the inferior. They are not superior. This kind of the problem is also going to take place because of the sense inferiority or sense illiteracy. Someone by the sense he is the illiterate or she is the illiterate, they talk, I am the superior, you are the inferior, I am the topmost, you are the lowest most. When people they are talking, it means that they are sense illiterate people or illiterate people by the sense. Next, sense means feelings. Sense means respect towards the others. Sense means 100%, 100% the concept of equality and inequality. I am coming towards the social status. One of my sisters said about the social status. What is happening in the Rajasthan? What is happening in the Jharkhand? And what is happening in the Hindi speaking belt? People they are going to kill a female baby before taking the birth. Why it is going to be happen? It is going to be happen because of the sense illiteracy, feelings illiteracy. How it is possible? A father who is going to kill a female baby, even she did not take the birth. How it is possible for a literate man to kill a female baby of the wife? No, it's not possible. But it is going to take place in the India. Who is responsible? Is education system responsible? Is the caste system really is responsible? Is the system of the man dominate responsible? So 100% the responsible of the sense illiteracy. Sorry to say, physically we are matured, but unfortunately we are not matured by our sense. This is the reason that people they are going to kill the innocent babies, even they did not take care the birth. They did not take the birth. Next point, where it is going to be happen? It is going to be happen maximum in the literate people. In the literate people. Unfortunately, it is not going to be happen among the illiterate people. You are going that you said a very good point that we are facing problem. What problem? As a ladies, woman injustice. The woman injustice it is going to be take place in the India especially, and among all those people who are called illiterate. Because of the illiteracy, my dear, the people they are going to injustice with. Because of the illiterate mother, because of the illiteracy, the father is going to kill. Because of the illiteracy, whenever the marriage time is coming there, the ladies they are feelings like coward. The ladies side they are feelings like a servant, and from the gents, the male side, everyone is feeling like we are the king. You are my servant. This is the mentality which has developed. How? Because of general point. What is the general point? That is called, my dear sister, you, my dear sister, you, and dear brother, you, especially sense illiteracy. We developed 100% physically. Unfortunately, my dear friend, we did not develop by intellectual point. We did not develop by sense point. This is the reason that being called, after writing the many books, we are talking the dowry system is the best one for the man. But I will say it is a great sign of the illiteracy of sense. It is the great, example of the illiteracy of a man, that the God has made the both man and woman, but unfortunately one is going to feel superior and second is going to feel the inferior. These are the major problem for the India. As you are talking about the dowry system, my dear sister, before going to get the marriage, you as a student, I will say, you will say the dowry is very bad. But what will happen when you will become the mother-in-law? You will also try to ask that I have given this much money to my daughter. Now I am expecting for my daughter-in-law. This is happening. Why this is happening? Because of sense illiteracy. Intellectual, those who think about the solution, they don't think only about particular community, they think about whole humanity. Because of that, religion is giving you freedom of equality. This is the reason that Islam has given a particular distribution system for women. But who is going to follow? Are the Muslim going to follow? Sorry. No. And who is going to injustice? The father and brother. They are going to do the injustice with the daughter. It is going to happen. And same replica is going on in our society. My dear student, you also have to understand and analyze the situation. Sometimes being the mother-in-law, sometimes being the mother, sometimes being the daughter, and sometimes you have to being the wife. When you will think on a one particular topic, then you will be able to justify with your topic. Otherwise it is not possible. Just only you will talk to problems which are in front of you or in your society. When the time will come to solve these problems, sorry to say, there will be no support. Why no support? Why even after 70 years we are going to lose the 2 lakhs women every year in India? Few people, they are going to say Kalima, they are going to worship of the women by saying Saraswati. Why again the injustice is going to take place in the name of dowry? So it is the illiteracy of the sense, my dear sister and my dear brothers. You also have to understand the situation. Unanimously, if you will try, the problem will solve unanimously. If personally you will solve, only the personal problem will solve. Unanimously we cannot solve the problem. Because of that, starting I had said, unanimously you write down your problem and share with us. So as an Indian, what is happening? We are not going to think the problem. As a Muslim community, we are going to think the Muslim problem. Because of that, we are talking only about the Muslim. As an Indian, we are not talking about. We are not going to think about as an Indian, but we are going to think about Hindu. Because of that, sometimes we are saying lynching is correct. As you can see, one of my batsmen, what's the name? Just he has become the MP from the Delhi. He used to play Gautam Gambhir. He said against the lynching. Suddenly Anupam Kher is saying, you don't have to say. What kind of the injustices? You both are Indian, and one Indian is going to kill the another Indian. A nonsense, you are saying that don't talk about this. Why? It is the matter of the minority. Why don't you think that this is the matter of the India? Today you are going to kill one community, but tomorrow they can react also. And who is going to kill? Both Indians? Will they start again fighting to kill each other? This is the reason that as an Indian we have to think. Not only we have to think as a particular community leader or particular community person. Then only we can solve the problem. I really want to say. Second and last problem, that is the major problem of our education system. Education system, Indian education system is better than the American. It's fact, reality. Our Indians, they are better than if they have the opportunity to study. According to the curriculum and syllabus, India's syllabus is the one of the best syllabus in the world. Better than the America. If you will talk with the American educationists, So they will say, yes, Indian education system is better than the American because we are going to study the many subjects. This is the reason that the morality and values, at least privilege, are prevail in this country up to a limited level. Education system. But apart from this, the education system is going to fail. Develop the confidence among the students. And second point is develop the opportunities for the students, those who are going to study. This is the problem. It is not the problem while studying. It is the problem after studying. Because of that, in Karnataka, Alhamdulillah, we are taking a good step to restore and develop the confidence among the students, those who are going to complete for adding the new subjects. So these are the points which I think they are very, very important. And this class is not the class of common student. I am going to think about you for a top level exam. If I am going to plan for you, baby, to become a professor or so and so, it means that emotionally I want to help you. I want to help by my sense. I want to feel. I don't want to be illiterate as by the sense. I want to be a literate person by the sense. By the sense, if I will be literate person, then my literacy will help to the whole humanity. Otherwise, what will happen? We will no doubt reach to the moon. We will cross, inshallah, moon also. But what will happen if we don't have the humanity? So we have to develop a one point, that is literacy of sense or sense literacy. Then only we can solve the problem. Only by literacy, reading and writing, we cannot solve the problem, and we cannot develop the respect of one person for the another person. It could be happen just only by the sense literacy. I hope that you will also try to play your role. Now we respect the Gandhiji, we respect the Kofi Annan, and we respect no doubt the many scholars from the Muslim side, Christians and Hindu. What is the reason? Being the Hindu, we are going to talk about their name. Being the Muslims, the Christians and Hindu, they are going to talk about them. Example, Abu Kalam in the present situation. Why it is going to be happen? The reason is only one reason, that is the literacy of sense, not only literacy of reading and writing. So maximum problems they are coming from this sense literacy. Sense illiteracy. We have to work for the development of literacy sense, not only literacy. Thank you very much.